wanted to ask you, Carly, have you thought about our project?
Mm-mm.
Haven't thought about it either?
No. Did she send an email or anything about it?
It was on the announcements, and it's due Saturday, the first part of designing the study.
Oh,
And
okay.
if you open the group project folder, you can open the design the study thing, and we each have to pick like a writer for designing the study, describing the data.
I have our names. I can draw out a hat if we want to do that, unless you want to volunteer for something specific. But we talked about the circus animal crackers, doing a ratio of the pink and the white color. We've talked about doing the flu shot, and then we've talked about doing how long does a Willy Wonka's Everlasting Gobstopper last. But that would involve people. You'd have to actually, determine who you want to sample.
Stopwatch too to time them.
Yeah.
Or do they write the time?
It would be probably longer than you want to sit there with them, so you could give them your phone number and they could text it to you, or I don't know. I hadn't thought about that. But did you have another product we could do, or?
Oh, no, nothing that I thought about. That sounds good though. The animal crackers.
Those sound really good though. They all sound
I think the animal crackers is fine. I mean, my friend had different instructors, so.
Yeah, that one's pretty easy.
Should we use that as an example since it was already used last term? Should we switch the product?
Like
M&Ms?
What other product has different colors?
M&Ms.
Skittles, Starbursts.
That's a lot of different M&Ms though.
Starbursts.
Starbursts are only 4.
Oh,
but
yeah,
don't they always keep the same color in every package, no?
No, the 2 packs of 2 always have 2 different colors.
I don't really like eating Starbursts, but I guess I can open them up and just look at them and throw them.
Where did you see that, options for what to do? Because I'm trying to look at it on the announcements. Is it just if you go to content, is it in that little box?
On the group project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bottom content.
Right.
And you just clicked on
And you
designing
open
the
it up.
study directions?
Yeah, their ideas were 1,000 chips in a bag of Chip Ahoy's, or a brand of paper towels stronger than brand B. So we could do it doesn't have to be food.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, I've got a cold.
2.
Well, let's come back to it. Let's go ahead and open our quiz.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
Do we
And then
do the part 2 of the preparation? It said together.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, it did. All right. I got a notebook open. Okay. Part 2, number 7, confidence interval. The A part said find the proportion of those who surveyed who have been in an automobile accident for the last 5 years.
So you just take 684 divided by 1,006, right?
Yes. Which means it's 0.6799.
0.680.
Or 680, yep.
And then B is that NP greater than or equal to 10 thing, right?
Right.
So you take 0.68 times 1,006, right?
Yes. And
more than 10.
But you're supposed to do both of them. I got an answer wrong. So you also have to do the 1006 time 1 minus 0.68.
Yeah.
And both of them do.
Yeah, I think they're both going to be bigger than 10.
Okay. I did. Okay, and then C is the confidence error. I mean, sorry, margin of error.
Have you guys done that? Did you guys use the Excel thing for that? With the other problems?
I did in the sample, but I didn't do it in this part.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what we'd put for null hypothesis.
Yeah, I don't know. Because we've got the P, the 0.68, and it doesn't say greater than or less than.
Yeah, it almost just says a fact, like this is what they found.
Yeah, maybe that's the reason I didn't use it. I just thought to do it by hand.
Right.
Sorry, my internet connection like stopped working.
Say, were you gone for a second?
Yeah. I don't know if it's like a bad spot or something.
So the margin of error was pretty easy. The 0.0288 or 0.029. I'm scared to round numbers. I think some of the problems I got wrong on my homework assignment was because my numbers, I'm rounding them wrong or too early.
Well, you have to make sure that you don't round them until the very final answer.
Right. And
Just
I think that's why I
Yeah,
missed.
you keep it as 0.0288 until the end, until you get your final answer.
What about 0.0288913? Would you leave all of that on there? Because when I use my calculator, I just copy and paste. It doesn't matter how many decimal points.
I think you would keep it, right? I don't know.
Are you supposed to round it to 4 digits to do your computations? I don't know. I'm playing with it. All right.
Okay, so for C, to find the margin of error, did you do the margin of error formula?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah. And then,
So for D, you just do the higher or the lower and upper bound, right? D?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah.
So did you get
I know.
It'd be weird to be like, hey, do you mind if I sit by you?
did you get 0.651 for the lower bound?
Yes. Are you using the Excel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And 0.709 for the higher bound?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I just did 0 as my null. I don't know if it even makes a difference if I change it.
You did 0 as your null?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll play around with it and see if I can get it to work for me. Okay, and then E. How many college students should you survey if you want a margin of error no more than 0.015?
Okay, so that's that N equals Z over 2M squared.
Yes.
And it's 0.015.
Does it have a margin of error on the applet? I mean, on the Excel?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, okay. All right.
I got a big number.
Yes,
Yep.
a big number.
4269.
Yeah, that's what I got. 4268.44, and then you rendered it.
Yeah.
Wait,
What number? Are you still on the E? On the margin
Yeah.
of error? Oh, the number.
4269.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have margin of error on the Excel thing.
Okay.
Okay, number 8.
Are we ready for number 8?
Is Carly still here?
I don't know.
Her picture's still here. She said her internet was not doing
Oh my
good.
gosh. Okay. Now it's a lot better. But the internet was being so bad where I was. It kept like,
Move?
yeah, I moved.
Okay.
And
Oh,
it's
good
like
for you.
a billion times better now. Sorry.
Okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Where did you break off on? What number were we at?
I have no idea. Like at the very beginning. And then it was for literally like 10 seconds. And then, yeah. Are you
Where
just
would you
still on
like
the
us to
prep
start, Carly?
assignment still? Or did you start the quiz?
No, we're on the prep assignment on number 8.
No.
So only did number 7.
Do you want us to go ahead and start with 8 then, or you want us to back up some, Carly? Is she still here? Oh no. I think we
I
lost
see her.
I know. She's in still form though.
The internet is taking a toll on her.
I know.
Oh dear.
Are you having to send her another invite, or she just finds her way back on to our?
Yeah, how does she keep getting back on?
I don't know.
I don't know. I can invite her again.
Okay. Here.
Oh,
Hi.
there she is.
I think maybe I have too many things open on my computer, so I closed some stuff too.
Okay, we'll keep our fingers crossed that that will work for you. Let's go ahead and start then on number 8, Carly, unless you wanted us to go back to number 7.
Oh, no. Number 8's good.
Number 8? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll read it. It says, now you are interested in testing a claim that over 60% of all students have been in a car accident within the last 5 years, using the level of significance of 0.05. So state the null and alternative hypothesis. So I've got it equal to 0.6 and greater than 0.6.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, equals and greater
Same
than, right?
Uh-huh.
I bet you guys already said this, but it was so nice using like Excel, the little test.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it was so easy.
I did not use it for this one though. I did it by hand.
Probably better to do it by hand, but I got 5.174.
Yeah, doing it by hand, I got 5.173. So just a little different.
Want some chocolate?
I don't have chocolate, bud.
You have to buy chocolate.
So see, my p-value is 0.
Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy.
So you reject the null.
Yes. Reject the null.
Okay, you need to go.
Mom, it would be really quick and easy to get to open it. Get my camera.
Okay, ask Henry to help you, okay? Oh, here you
No.
go. Here, right
No, I don't like this one.
here. Okay. Well, I'll have to get it for you later, okay?
No.
Mom,
That's easy again.
so go ask Henry to do it, okay?
But I was not going to do it.
I'll be back. You guys can keep doing 8.
Okay. Her hands are full. She said that her kids have been home all day because of parent-teacher conference or something. So she's
Oh.
probably
Stress.
on the end of her patience there. So number 8, then we just reject the hypothesis
Okay.
Because you
and
have
then state your
sufficient
conclusions.
evidence.
Yeah.
And we have sufficient evidence, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
I never write it out. I always just put sufficient or insufficient.
Yeah. Same.
Okay. So we'll wait for
Start
her.
the
We'll
quiz?
start the quiz. Sorry. So you're feeling better, Carly, or you just got cold medicine in you?
No, I like since yesterday my throat has been hurting so much, and then
Okay, back.
Oh, she's out. We were just getting ready to start the quiz. We'll wait for Haley to get back on. Her and I are fighting a cold today.
Oh man.
So did you have chocolate somewhere hidden and you just magically took care of your son?
No, I gave him a little bit of ice cream.
Whatever it takes to keep them quiet.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to pull my quiz up as we wait for her to come on.
sorry, my thing froze again. Did anyone say anything?
I'm sorry.
For you.
There you
What?
We're just starting the quiz.
Okay.
go. Okay. So number 3. Is everybody there on 3?
Mhm.
Okay. The symbol for true population proportion is P, the last one.
And then a p caret, is that just the sample proportion?
Yes.
Or yeah. Okay. Terminology.
The definition that I've been struggling going back and forth with this one. The P equals the mean sample distribution of P caret.
I think the p caret is the point estimator or something like that. Like the random variable that you are
Yes.
trying to
Yes, it is the point estimator. That's a good way of using it. Okay. And then
Okay.
number 4.
Yeah, okay, so do we use p or p caret or both?
I think he's. That's what I've been doing for to test them.
The confidence there, yeah, it's the P caret or P hat P. What was the instructor's use for the little top hat? He said it differently. What's the difference between 4 and 5? So we know that
I
the
don't know.
requirements for a hypothesis test are determined by the central limit for proportion.
I think
What
that
about-
4 we have to use a different p and 5 we do use a different p.
Oh, okay.
So I think
And
the
then-
hypothesis test we use the p with the caret.
Oh. Okay, it cut out again, but what did you say?
I think that
Go ahead.
The confidence interval you use.
the normal p, and
Okay.
then number 5 you use the p with the caret.
Okay.
No, the confidence interval formula just has the P with the caret in it. Oh, wait a minute. That's the NP greater than less than 10. Okay. So that's the P,
Okay.
and then the hypothesis test would be the P caret.
So you guys got true for
Oh.
4, right?
Yeah. I knew both 4 and
That-
5 were going to be true because we have both p's. We both have both values, but I have a hard time determining which one's which.
Hypothesis test, that's when you use the n. I did not. Is that right?
For the hypothesis test,
Use the n times 1 minus p caret is greater than or equal to 10?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
And the other one, and P is equal or greater to 10.
Confidence interval. Okay.
Okay.
I think they're both. Oh yeah,
Yeah, they're both
good.
true.
5, 4.
So
Okay.
I'll read number 6. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. So find P, the point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in this state. So that would be 45 divided by 60.
Right.
So 75%.
2, 3 decimal places, so it would be 0.750.
0.750.
Okay. And then the margin of error, number 7.
What's the margin of error formula again?
M equals Z. In this case, it's going to be 1.96 times the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by the number. So it would be 0.25 times 1 minus 0.25 divided by 100.
Okay, wait. I thought that the sample size was 60.
Ice cream, 5 fishy crackers, and nuts. Oh.
Okay, good job.
Oh yeah, it is 60.
Where's the
Where did I get
boy?
100 from?
I'm done.
Okay, you need to go now. Okay, so the margin formula is 1.96 times, I thought it was standard deviation. No? But there's no standard deviation. Never mind.
Well, the formula's got the P. It's in the greater, the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by the number, which is 60. I did put 100. That must have been because of the problem before it.
Okay.
So I'm going to redo this really quick. So, did you guys get 0.1095 or?
I'm still kind of struggling with the formula, sorry.
Yeah, me too. I'm
Like you said it, and then I'm just like, what?
I know. I've got
But
it
I
written.
see it. Z times, and then it's all in a square root, P1 minus P on the top with N on the bottom, right?
yeah.
Okay, so the P would be 0.75.
The P is number
Or is
7.
it 45?
I don't know.
I think it's 0.75. Yeah, it's 0.75.
Yeah, 0.75.
Okay, I got 0.1095, so 0.110.
Do you round to 3 decimal places? So
One,
point
one,
one
110.
Yeah,
0.110.
yeah.
Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yeah, I did get that at one point.
Okay.
But for some reason, I thought I had my numbers wrong. My calculator's been messing up, so I don't trust it. I had to go back and Google how to reset your calculator to factory. I'm just not loving my calculator right now.
I've just been using the calculator on my desktop.
Probably better than what I was doing.
Okay, so for the lower bound, did you guys get 0.64?
Okay, I am all messed up here.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm in the library, so hopefully it'll work.
We're like running around all campus.
No, yeah, it's so embarrassing. But I got to number 11. I don't know where you guys left off. But I was like, screw it, I'm just going to keep trying to do it.
We're on 8 right now.
Oh,
What did you get for number 7, Carly?
0.11.
Okay.
Make sure you put 0.110 just because it says 3 decimals. I don't know if it's sensitive.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't need to, I don't think.
I don't know. I just do it just in case. I don't want to risk it ever.
And then number 6, you got 0.75. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
So
then
I
we're
put-
working on the lower bound.
I put 0.64 for lower bound.
Same.
0.064.
Just 6.4.
No, 0.64.
0.64.
Yeah.
And then 0.86 for upper bound.
Yeah. Are you using the little Excel thing to do it?
Yeah,
Okay, me too.
Okay, give me 9 again, Naomi. What's your upper bound?
0.86.
Okay. I'm going to have to come back to those two. Okay.
Decrease for 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay.
For
Number
question
11.
11, I had a hard time on the homework. I got this one wrong, the homework quiz.
Yeah,
I did
this one
too for last
uses
week.
It was P equals 4/5, and it was like, yeah, I rounded it because it was like a 0.5, and I'm like, well, you can't have a 0.5 sample. I don't know. I still got wrong.
I got that one wrong too, so don't worry about it.
So I don't know if I'm gonna get this right either.
I have an answer.
You got 20?
Yes, I did.
That's how I did the homework. Oh.
Did you guys just plug like 1/2 into the NP? Oh, with a hypothesis test, wouldn't you use the N outside with the parentheses 1 minus P caret?
You use both of them.
Yeah, you can use both of them and see which one's the smaller one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got 20 also.
Okay.
So how'd you guys get 20? Because I'm still lost.
Okay. So you do the test, the requirement test to see if it's going to be normal, which is NP equals or greater than 10.
Okay.
And then you take that P, which is 1/2, plug it into that formula, which means that you divide it on each side, right?
Uh-huh.
So 10 divided by 0.5, because 1/2 is 0.5, which gives you 20.
Yep. Very good. Good explanation. And so 12, we do the same thing and do both sides. Okay.
100?
Yeah.
I got 100 on the one side, but when I did it on the other side, I got 12. So if they want the smallest, it would be 12.
I got 11. Let me try again.
I just rounded it up because it's a number. You need a whole number.
Oh, right. Okay, let's see if it's 12's right.
Okay.
Yeah, did you get 11.11111?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who wants to read the information?
I can. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the microinvertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significant level of 0.05 with the following hypothesis. And N equal 80 and P equal 38. Would that be a P or a P caret? Or neither? I don't know.
What's your question?
Yeah, I think that the X equals 38, you're trying to find out if it's a P or a P caret. I think that's a P
Well,
caret.
the P caret would be
X divided by N is P caret.
right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay. That's why that's there.
And then P is just 0.6. Yeah, the 60%.
Okay, so I am confused again. Do we use the P caret to do our hypothesis test to see if it's accurate, or the P?
I thought you said for hypothesis test you use P caret, the N times 1 minus P caret.
Yeah, I think so too. It's the confidence interval that you use the P.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right.
I don't know that I'll ever be able to keep those two straight. Okay, so answer to number 13 then are the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test satisfied.
Yeah. I got 42. So you guys.
Yeah, and 38. So yes, number 13 is true. Okay, a moment of truth. What is P caret? Oh, we know what P caret is. That is 38 divided by 80.
Yeah.
0.475, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, 0.475. All right, now we get to find the test statistic.
Which is your Z-score.
Yes. So I have 4.475 minus 0.6 divided by 0.6 times 1 minus 0.6 divided by 80. And okay, I got a score. Negative 2.282.
Yeah, that's what I got on the Excel.
Same.
Why am I not using that app?
Yeah, you literally just have to plug in the little numbers and it takes like
I'm sorry.
5 seconds.
Wait, what'd you guys say?
Negative 2?
2.282.
Do you know where it is? It's just in the reading.
Oh,
It's like a little Excel thing.
okay.
Yeah, I played with it, but I haven't opened it for this session for some reason. I'll take a moment to open it right now.
I mean, I think it's fine because we just have to figure out the p-value next, and then that's it for the rest of the
Oh, we're
quiz.
done.
Yeah, but
Yeah, the
Almost.
p-value says 0.022, but
mine says 0.11. Wait,
did you put as your null hypothesis 0.6?
yeah. Did you do less than the type of test? Is it less than, right?
Is it less than or is it greater? Hold on, let me look.
Yeah, that the water quality has decreased. So I think it's less than.
Okay.
Probability less than should be 0.011.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
That's probably why they put.
So we'd reject it, the null hypothesis. And
Which of the following best summarize the conclusion of this test?
the last one?
Yep, the last one.
Okay.
All right, moment of truth.
Are you submitting yours, Naomi?
I guess I can.
I mean, I can do it too. I don't care.
I can do it
I'll
too.
go ahead and do it.
Okay.
You missed one.
Dang, which one? I bet it's
Number
the
12.
12.
The
Oh,
one where we put
Yeah.
12.
Oh, what was the other one that we got? 100?
100.
Yeah.
I'll try 100.
Okay.
Of course, that's when we missed.
That's not the smallest one, though.
Yeah, no, 100's correct.
Oh.
It's 100% now.
Maybe that's not one you're supposed to do when you do that test. I don't know.
Well, in the example, no, it's in the video recording. He says that you need to use both. Maybe it's just use both to satisfy, but not necessarily both to.
I know, it's confusing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 100.
Okay. So I guess we need to go back to our design the study thing.
Okay.
I'm okay with doing the animal cracker thing. I think it's the easiest.
Yeah, let's do the easiest one.
That would be cool. Then we don't have to get people and stuff. Let's put it that.
Okay, I'm just gonna open it really fast.
Do you want to pull out names, Angela?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Hey, all right. Are you ready? The first one would be to design, right? The designing. And it is Haley.
Woo! Yeah.
So I think you just have to fill out questions 2 through what is it? All these questions.
If you have a preference, Haley, you don't have to do the first one.
I'm fine with whatever. Just give me a
Okay.
job and get it done.
All right. The main writer for describing the data is Carly.
Okay,
Yeah.
where is it exactly? Sorry.
Nicole is getting
Is
I
it,
went
just,
Okay, so-
is it just the Word document that says design the study?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay. All right. I see it.
Okay.
Wait,
The
so
next one,
am
main
I-
writer for making inference is Naomi.
Okay.
And I guess that means I'm the last.
wait.
Take action is Angela.
Okay. So do
Who's
we all
gonna
have
do
to fill out
step
this?
6? We all gonna do step 6? The PowerPoint presentation?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do it through like Google Docs, so we can all like add to it and stuff.
Yeah.
That would be a really good idea. Carly, are you good with setting Google Docs up?
I like used it in high school, so like 4 years ago, but I could probably like figure it out.
I've been doing it a lot for classes. I can do it if you want.
All right.
Maybe.
Naomi volunteered, so if you set us up, then we can all go on to contribute to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll send Rona a link.
So
On Saturday.
designing the studies due Saturday, right?
So me.
Yes, November 12th. Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, and if you wanna like email it to us on Friday night or something, we can look it over.
So, so in the Word doc, the design the study, is that like I have to answer those questions?
I think so. I haven't gone through. Yeah,
Yeah.
there they are.
What about the design the sample? Is that me or is that someone else?
That's also you, because that's part of
Okay.
designing. Because this whole document says design the study.
How about we all have like our own little Word document throughout the project? Let me look.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think
We don't want Haley to have the whole grunt of this work if everyone else is a cake job.
Well, we can all take a sample, a section.
Everyone writes up and submits their collect the data documents.
Right.
So we've got design the study, and then we have design the sample.
Well, she needs to know how for number 9, how we're gonna collect the data. Are we each gonna buy a bag or?
Yeah, I think we should each. Like, are you talking about the big bags or like the smaller individual ones?
Yeah, we should have a size.
Yeah.
I think the big bag, right? And just open it up and count.
And then we each get that, and then we each count ours, and then bring the data together.
Okay,
I think
I
so.
might have missed this at the beginning, but what are we testing in the size or the color of the cookies?
The color, and I guess we need a hypothesis if we think there's more pink or more white.
We can
I
just
think
say.
there's more white.
I need more pink. There's for sure more pink.
You guys think there's more pink? We can say that.
I don't know. You guys, Carla and Angela, you give your opinion too.
I say white. I don't know why. I just feel it.
I just feel like it's less of a dye color that they have to use. I don't know.
Mhm.
That's what I was thinking. It's less ingredients to make the white than it is the pink.
I'll prove you wrong. Okay, you can say one.
So
How
that's
are
like
you going to set it up, Haley?
Okay, so we have to so just make a sentence. So we just say we're trying to determine if it's more white than pink.
More white than pink.
And I guess is it an independent sample test then? Because we're taking two means. I don't know the difference. What am I thinking? So we count up how many white and how many pink, and then we see which one has more. So that's like a subtraction, right?
Mm,
I think that's good. The difference of two means.
I think you would do them. Well, I could be wrong. If it was independent, that would be kind of like taking a bag of like Chips Ahoy chips and comparing it with like a bag of animal crackers. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then comparing those two. I feel like it would just
Gosh, it's really
Because it's the same population. It's just one
Yeah.
population. It's just different colors.
so I feel like it's just your normal like sigma unknown or sigma known. Like
Yeah, one mean with
Zeta.
sigma unknown.
So it'd be a single sample T test sigma unknown.
Okay, are we gonna add up all our data together and then come up with the answer, or do separate and then?
We should add it all up, right?
Would we put it in SPSS and just kind of create our own and then collaborate?
I think we should add it all up together and then do one big thing.
Okay. So we'll have to find out how many are in each bag
Yeah, and then write it down.
to determine our population.
If you have questions, just email us and we'll
Yeah.
give our input.
Yeah, I would feel
Fill
don't
out
feel like
that
it's all up
Dr.
to you.
internship.
Because I can't think right now. I'm sorry.
No, that's totally fine.
But I'm
Like
definitely
Haley, I just opened this stuff up and started reading it too. If we need to, we can gather again.
Yeah.
Let's see, today is Wednesday, so we've got all weekend. If you need any help, why don't you see if we can gather together and discuss it
Yeah.
halfway or something.
Yeah, like on Friday or something.
we can meet on Friday.
What's a good time on Friday?
For me, anytime after 10:30, I can.
Haley, what about you? I didn't hear you, Haley. Say that again.
After 11.
11?
Yeah, anytime after that.
Okay.
All right, 11's fine.
All right, 11 on Friday.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, see you guys on
Then
Friday.
we'll help each other get through that part, that section.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for your help.